Alright, so I have a package here from Mercracing. They sent me two packages. They forgot to provide the bolts for the intake manifold. They send me the bolts. They forgot to provide me the bolts with the intake manifold throttle plate that goes in the front of the blower. They send me the bolts. And he also told me that they were going to sponsor me and provide me a shift knob. This is freaking sweet. I love it. And it does not stop there. Like I said, they send me two boxes. This here, it's a fuel rail. Oh man, oh man. I cannot wait to open this sucker up. Oh, there she is. Whoa, bro. This is so beautiful. Wow. This is amazing, brother. Damn. This is beautiful. Look at the way that is. Oh man, I cannot wait to slap this sucker on. It has the feed, it has the return, it has another feed. That is sick, and it has a pod for a gauge. Ooh, man, oh man. I just got a gauge for hybrid racing. It's not gonna match. Merc, you're gonna have to send me a freaking fuel pressure gauge as well, brother. Come on. Let's support the supporters. Oh man, this is beautiful. That fuel rail is freaking amazing. I can't wait to slap that sucker on. Holy shit, that's gonna complement the blower beautifully. And this too. Oh my, oh my. Thank you, Mercracing. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are great company. I really appreciate everything you guys do for me. Look, freaking bolts. I cannot wait. I also received another package in the mail. Not by them, but bam, high flow intake fuel pump. I was gonna run the stock pump. Mercracing said I should be good, but you know what? I don't want to come into any fuel issues. So, with that there being said, here we go. 40 psi. We should be good. That's pretty much what the OEM pump is pushing at, 40 psi, because of the fuel rail. That's pretty much where it sits, like at 50 almost. But this one's going to be moving some freaking fluid. I love it. Thank you, Merc. This has been a wonderful experience, brother. I'm so glad I did this, even though with the hints of regret. Nonetheless, stoked. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I did not see this. They sent me a sticker. I love stickers. Any more stickers? I love stickers. Wow. Yeah, I will not slap that in my back window. I don't know. I don't know where I would slap that sticker at. Thanks, bro. Fucking love it. I love that sticker. Probably more than the fuel and the fucking shift knob. Just kidding. That shit is dope though. Thank you for watching.